Hey there, how's it going? This is Christopher Gaudet, and today I would like to show you how you can add a animated avatar as your image for Twitter. As we scroll down this page, you'll see Barack Obama's followers. We'll see some of them don't even have pictures, but most people have a static image as their picture. But we see this one guy who's waving. You'll see him and most people would actually probably click on him over somebody else. So the whole object of the game is to get people to actually view your profile and see what you have to offer. So we're going to see basically how he may have done this. Um, he obviously had a video camera to record himself, but I'm going to just basically show you how you can add moving pictures as your profile image. So here we have GIF Animator. This is a program that's probably about 50 bucks, I think, that you can get. It's very good for making banners or adding a nice little background for your Twitter profile, and we'll get to that in another lesson. But so let's say I just want to start adding some images here. So we're basically going to start with a new document, clicking on New, and we want 300 by 250. That's the default for a thumbnail. The width 300, height 250, and we're going to want a white background. And click OK. So we're going to start by adding a photo, and we're going to want to resize this to fill up the screen. And now we're going to add a frame, and you can make as many as you want. And we're going to click on the next frame and add our second image, or whatever you want to have moving. And we're going to resize so that it fits in the screen. Okay. So now I can copy this and add it to the others very simply. Okay, now we're going to use the rotator feature. It's up here. We're going to make it spin like a clock. And let me just continue doing this until it's complete. So now we have our moving image, and we'll see how this works by pressing preview. Now obviously that's too fast, but we just want the images and we can set the time on it later. So we're simply going to go up to File, Save As, Image Frames, and we're going to save it as Moving Images. Okay, so now all we have to do is open Camtasia, add media, and we'll see our moving images here. And we're going to select each one individually and add it to the project. Okay, then we're going to set the time on each video by right-clicking, clicking on image duration. I'm going to add 3 seconds here, and for the rest of it I'm going to simply add .40. Whoops. Okay, so now we should have our full movie here. Okay, it's pretty much done, and all we're going to do is produce video as, custom settings, and we're going to choose GIF animation, loop indefinitely, 300 by 250 once again, and we're going to save it as moving images. Okay. And I will show you my completed image on Twitter that I made previously and already uploaded it. And there we have it. Just give it a second, there it goes. Just a very simple animation. It makes it more appealing to someone who's looking through a bunch of profiles. And so you can experiment with it and, let me know what you come up with. This has been how to make an animated avatar with your Twitter account. Thanks and have fun.